Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out Rocco's Tacos and Tequila bar in Orlando, Florida. It's been a while since I've dined here. Since this is a tequila bar, we had to try out some drinks. Here is a mango mojito, a jalapeno margarita, and a habanero margarita. Surprisingly, the jalapeno margarita had zero heat, so I leveled up to the habanero margarita, which had some kick, but the flavor was more bitter than bold. I was also looking forward to having slices of jalapeno in the drink. Instead, I was told that it had been strained. On a good note, one of the highlights was their fresh tableside guacamole. They make it right in front of you. It was delicious, super fresh, perfectly seasoned, and paired with crispy tortilla chips. Definitely a must-try if you come here. For my main meal, I ordered the Hongos tacos, and these were made from mushrooms, tequila, jalapeno, and garlic. The mushrooms were average, but the tacos were soggy. There was no crunch at all. If you try these, I highly recommend asking for some extra sauces to boost the flavor. It also came with yellow rice and refried beans, which I did confirm were vegan, so that was a huge plus for that one. The atmosphere is super lively, there is great music, a fun crowd, and the place stays busy. But when it comes to the tacos, they could use some work. Would I come back? Maybe for the guac and drinks, but I'd rather try another option beside the tacos. Let me know in the comments, have you been to Rocco's Tacos? What did you think? That's it for this review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more vegan food reviews, travel adventures, and lifestyle content. See you in the next one.